This is the craziest and most awesome WRX I have ever seen. It looks like a WRX made for Batman. What you're seeing here is the fastest WRX race car Subaru has ever built, and it is called Project Midnight. Not only does it produce 670 horsepower, but it has exposed carbon fiber bodywork that makes it for 154 kilograms or 1,000 pounds lighter than normal. Now, why don't we watch this monster go through a time attack course at Goat Road? Look at it go full throttle. A bit wiggly out of the turn, but it was able to recover. Wow, the sound it makes is so awesome. Not sure what time it set on the course, but who cares? Just look at those beautiful wheel arches that resemble mini rally cars. And look at that wing, it is just so big. Also, don't forget that it has an awesome hood exit exhaust, making it a true race car. What do you guys think? Is this cool or nah?